Hi, thanks for joining me on my market report. My name is Mike, and my market report is on mortgage rates. We kind of like to get you the information out there regarding what's impacting mortgage rates on a daily basis, whether it might be come from some economic data that got released, or if it's some headline news or geopolitical items, or even sometimes there's just a change in the sentiment in the market where sometimes good news is bad news and vice versa. We want to get that information out there for you so that way you can, if you're in the market to refinance or purchase, which is maybe the reason why you're watching these videos, to follow the market. And this will hopefully give you some the information you needed to make an informed decision for yourself, whether if you want to lock in or if you want to kind of hold off and see if rates get better or not. So hopefully this will provide you the information you need and get some, you'll like it. And if you do like these videos, I greatly appreciate if you can smash that like button and maybe follow. Greatly appreciate it. It helps out the channel. And without further ado, we'll jump right into it. We don't have anything on the economic calendar today. However, this week is packed full of items here. We'll kind of go over it right now, touch it. So tomorrow we'll be basically getting the Case-Shiller home price. We'll get the FHFA home price indexes, new home sales. So we'll get a couple home price indexes showing how much appreciation gained, and then we'll also see the new home sales. Now Wednesday we'll get durable goods orders, which will be a big one. And then Thursday maybe Thursday we get the initial jobless claims. But not only that, but we'll get the first look of the Q3 GDP, and then of course pending home sales. And last but not least, on Friday, a big one will be the PCE, which is the Fed's favorite gauge for inflation. So this will probably be the highlight for the week here with the PCE or consumer inflation here. Basically, look at the core inflation, which is the when you strip out food and energy from the PC data, that's what you get your core, and that's what they consider real inflation here. We'll also get the Chicago PMI, which is kind of manufacturing in the Chicago region. So those will be the big ones we'll be looking at for this week. But today happens to be kind of a quiet day, but stay tuned. We'll have a lot more impact later in the week here. Now, and then next week, of course, we'll be gearing up for the Fed meeting. We'll have the Fed meeting on Tuesday through Wednesday will be the big thing next week as well. So date news today, basically, there's not much for headline news today. We got basically the Q3 quarterly earnings. People are they're reviewing those right now, and one of the big headline ones will be after hours today, which will be Facebook will be released. So that's kind of taking the center stage for rate for stock market today. We still got some ongoing negotiations in Congress to try to get the spending bill going through. We got it's been a hold up in Senate. We got two Democrats have been kind of holding off on it, which is kind of what's preventing it. So hopefully, I'm sure we all can agree. We hope to get the right bill passed through. So it's good that we have some exchange that people kind of bring in there to hopefully clean it up for what we can do to get these things taken care of. We also got talk on the Moderna. I think Moderna, they're talking about where the vaccines for younger kids might be released sometime soon. So they're doing those tests on those, and that's where they're trying to roll out in the near future here, maybe as soon as next month. So those are some things to be coming down the pipeline as well. Now, as for mortgage rates, as you can see here, we got some price changes here for the better, which is obviously good news. So today we're starting the week out pretty well. Friday was pretty good. We ended up closing, I believe it was 19 basis points. Today, as you can see here, we're up about 14 basis points. So we can hopefully work our way back towards this 25-day moving average, get us a better range here. Here's how it looks so far during the day. See, keep rising up here, which is good news here for us. So we see this little rise from early morning all the way up, so picked up quite a bit. So good news right there. Let's see here, bring this back here. Sorry about that. But and the 10-year Treasuries also kind of dipped below. It started challenging this, and then there's some comments made by the Bank of England that kind of made it more bond friendly, and that's kind of subsided a little bit the yields. So yields across the globe basically it helped them out globally. So now we're down to about just under 1.63 right now, and which is below this technical level, which is good news for bonds, which is helping boost bonds a little bit here as well. So that's pretty much it. A little better rates today compared to what we saw on Friday. So we're seeing a little bit of improvement. So Again, if you guys like the videos, please smash that like button. We greatly appreciate. If you guys got any questions about mortgage rates or programs or any of that stuff, I forgot to mention a little bit about myself. Is I am a loan officer. I do work with a national lender, so we're able to help people in all 50 states. So we love to be able to earn your business. If you got if you're looking to refinance or purchase, please give us a shout. We'd love to be able to hear from you as well. Or even if you just got questions, we're here to help as well. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll look forward to see you guys on tomorrow. And before I forget, I apologize. Kind of rushing through this, but here's the national average for the rates here. 30-year fix is at 3.27, and the 15-year was at 2.64%. So my apologies. I almost forgot about mentioning that for you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.